Hello everyone, here is your daily stock market update for 13th May 2026. The Indian stock markets ended on a mixed note today. The Nifty 50 index advanced by 33.05 points to close at 23,412.60. The BSE Sensex advanced by 49.74 points to close at 74,608.98. And the Nifty Bank down by 99.05 points to close at 53,456.15. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, metal, consumer durables, oil and gas, FMCG, healthcare index and pharma closed in the green, whereas IT, auto, realty, private bank, PSU bank and media ended in the red. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Asian Paints, Adani Enterprise, Tata Steel, Hindalco and Bharat Electronics Limited. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Eicher Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Infosys, Tech Mahindra and Sun Pharma. On the NSE, 3,378 stocks were active during the day. Out of these, 1,962 advanced while 1,303 declined. 113 stocks closed unchanged. Let us take a look at market news. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone will invest $1.36 billion through fiscal year 2031 to expand its offshore marine business in Europe with US-based Oceaneering International. Its unit Astra Offshore plans to build a 200-vessel fleet targeting $60 billion in marine revenue as the company diversifies beyond India's port operations and grows its global offshore logistic presence. L&T has won significant EPC orders worth 1,000 to 2,500 crore in the Middle East to build one 380 kilowatt and two 132 kilowatt extra high voltage substations on a turnkey basis. The project will enhance grid reliability, reduce congestion and support rising electricity demand, reinforcing L&T's strong global presence in power infrastructure. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories reported a 3.9% year-on-year increase in total income to 35,058.6 crore in fiscal year 2026 compared to 33,741.2 crore in fiscal year 2025. However, the company's net profit declined 25.8% to 4,196 crore from 5,655.1 crore in the previous fiscal year. The company has recommended a final dividend of 8 rupees per share for fiscal year 2026 with 10th July 2026 as the record date. Cipla reported a 2.23% increase in total income to 29,044.60 crore in fiscal year 2026 compared to 28,409.49 crore in fiscal year 2025. However, the company's net profit declined 26.4% to 3,879.23 crore from 5,272.52 crore in the previous fiscal year. The board has proposed a final dividend of 13 rupees per share for fiscal year 2026 with 5th June 2026 as the record date. From 13th May, the government has doubled the basic customs duty on gold and silver to 10% from 5%, while the cess has been increased to 5% from 1%. As a result, the effective import duty on gold and silver has jumped from 6% to 15% to reduce imports and protect India's forex reserves amid Iran war and global uncertainty. The change was notified by the Ministry of Finance, making jewelry and gold investments more expensive for buyers across the country. This concludes today's market update. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.